Dinner time, about to make a quick steak frites. So going to start heating up some oil for the fries, and then we'll get the steak on the stove. Steak, fries, pour some oil in. Season this with salt and pepper. Make sure we get the sides too. Pan's heating up, gonna add some oil to it. Okay, let's get the steak on. Oil should be nice and hot. All right, oil's ready. Let's get some fries in. These are just frozen grocery store fries. All right, gonna flip the steak. Have a nice crust on this side. All right, for the steak frite sauce, we're gonna use mustard, heavy cream, pepper, and some white wine. And some chives, if we have. All right, have some chives still. Let's rinse and dry off these chives. Put the steak on its side. Let's cook all the sides around. All right, let's cut up the chive. All right, chive's done. Put the steak on the other side. This batch of fries is done. Next batch of fries in. I'm gonna turn the pan off for now. All right, steak out. Have it rest for a bit. Turn the pan back on. We're gonna deglaze with some white wine. Scrape off the brown bits at the bottom. Okay, to this, add some heavy cream. We'll add some mustard to it too. You could use whole grain mustard, Dijon mustard, whatever you want. Mix it in, add in some pepper, and add in all the chives. Take the rest of these fries out. Okay, let's cut the steak. It's a good medium rare. Fries on. A little flaky salt on the fries. Looks good. Let's try it. Take a little piece from the end. Nice crunch on the outside. Take some fries. Let's dip in the sauce. Fries gonna be a little crispier, but still good. All right, awesome. That was like maybe 15 minutes total. Okay, goodbye.